What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Mark here with Savage Marketing Hacks, and I think I just landed on a gold mine, and I'm going to show you what this is all about in just a second. Stay tuned. All right, we're going to jump right into this. I, on this channel, want to promote things that I believe and I can stand behind that will help you in the long run. I am, if you don't know already, anti-guru. I hate the name, the term guru. I don't like anything that gurus stand for because 9 times out of 10, gurus are just idiots that recycle information that other people gave. And nobody's original out there. There's only a few handful of people that are doing it the right way and keeping it ethical as well. And, I think I found something that may be on that line of somebody that's doing it the right way, staying ethical, and have created an amazing product. And so I want to kind of show you this. I want to jump into this real quick. It's called Ticket Hijack. Now, just by the name, you can get an idea of what it's about. It's about taking high-ticket offers that aren't yours. You don't have to sit there and spend hours creating these products and developing lead magnets and funnels. This system that I just landed on, that may be a potential gold mine, does it all for you. Everything is done for you. It's basically like a freaking ATM on your desktop. And so I want to briefly run through this. This is going to be a short video. I want to run through what I found, the landing page, just to show you what it's all about. And then we'll do a follow-up video showing you the back end and the user dashboard and all of the awesome perks that come with this app, as he calls it. It's an application online. It's an online app. So done for you, 100% done for you. High ticket commissions, 0 paid ads, and email marketing required. So even if you're brand new in the affiliate marketing space, you have no idea where to start or what you're doing, this may be something to consider. How I effortlessly, or the guy that created this product, how I effortlessly made over $1,000 per day in high ticket commissions with brand new secret underground traffic app. Remember, he calls it an app. It's an application online. Now, the whole thing about it is, like I said, you don't have to create anything. He created everything for you. He even has his own vetted out high ticket offers that he put on landing pages for you, along with the creators of those high ticket programs. They're all working together, and they give you training, personal training on how to promote it. They give you email swipes. They give you everything. So there's a video. We're not going to go through the video right now, but just going to run down some of these bullet points. 0 list, paid traffic, tech skills, or previous experience required. Complete step-by-step training and automated cloud-based app inside. And that's the dashboard we're talking about. Results in as little as 24 hours, even if you've never made a dime online before. Now, that's probably 80 to 90% of the people out there have dabbled in affiliate marketing and never made a dime, or maybe only had 1 or 2 sales, and they're scratching their head saying, man, how do these guys do it? How do these gurus do it? Well, a lot of them, like I said, recycle information, and they take other people's information and they duplicate other people's success, which is kind of what I want to show you with this program. So results in as little as 24 hours. 100% free traffic included, customized for high ticket hijack system. They show you different traffic techniques within their system. The fastest and easiest way to bank 4 figures, that's $1,000 and up, 4 figures per day, commissions. Unique method with 0 competition. Now, he says there's 0 competition. We'll have to be the judge ourselves. Agency rights included if you purchase today. So there is a license that is included, so you can kind of resell some of this stuff as well. That's a little more on the advanced side, but once you get into the program in the back end, it explains everything. There was a kind of like an early bird offer during the month of September when it launched. It's a fairly new program. It launched in September. But that is no longer in play, but it was only a couple bucks off. I think he gave it away for like $19. We're talking the entire system for like 19 bucks. I think right now it's under $30. And you can see some of the website done here. 100% done for you, high ticket commissions. He gives you landing pages all set. All you have to do is put in your links. Everything's already done for you, so you don't have to worry about coding or having a specific software to edit with. You don't have to worry about this. This system gives you everything. 500 to 100 per sale on complete autopilot. Now, my buddy, which you can go ahead and check out his channel, 𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗓, and I'll see if I can leave a link somewhere on this page, 𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗓, affiliate marketer. He also has a program that basically uncovers and reveals 8-figure affiliate marketers and how they got to where they got to. And he offers a program as well, which I'm getting a lot of the information that I'm learning over the last couple weeks from Chet as well, because he is just a master at affiliate marketing, SEO, online digital marketing space. So definitely go ahead and check out his channel. So he actually put me on to this high ticket hijack offer, and I jumped right in. I mean, I looked at, I vetted it out. I compared it to several other high ticket or affiliate products out there, and I feel like this one is closer to, it hits closer to home. It's more of an offer that I want to stand behind than some, random offers out there on ClickBank that I have no idea who these guys are or how they created their system. But this system looks fairly straightforward and fairly easy. All over this landing page says it's automated, which means usually you just have to click one button and it runs itself. You drive a little bit of traffic to it and it sells itself. It comes with email swipes, it comes with landing pages, it comes with suggestions, it comes with keyword suggestions. I mean, it comes with everything that you need to succeed and then some. So this is the landing page. I'm not going to go too much more in depth. There's a bunch of testimonials and stuff on this landing page as well, which you can see, and you can see some of his screenshots of some commission that other people have earned. There is a link in the description below this video if you want to just kind of check it out and vet it and do your own due diligence and research and just learn a little more about it. Like I said, I'm going to have a follow-up video to this where I'm going to show you the dashboard, the back end of where everything happens, all of the magic happens. But guys, this could be an awesome opportunity. Few disclaimers that I have to throw out there. Income claims, we don't do that on this channel, so you basically get what you put into it. Anybody can make money online. A lot of people don't make money online because they don't have the determination and the motivation to keep moving forward even when they hit a brick wall. So if you are hitting that brick wall, I strongly encourage you, click on the link down below, check it out, jump in, and I'll even give you a private link to our Discord server where we share even more high-end and secret tips, tricks, and savage marketing hacks. If you end up buying through my link, shoot me a message. My messenger link down there to my Facebook Messenger bot is there. Shoot me a message, show me a screenshot that you purchased this program, and I'll send you a Discord link so you can join all the other affiliate marketers that were kind of building an empire on Discord right now. But that's it, guys. I'm not going to let this video go any longer. Thanks for jumping on this video, to checking this out really quick. Like I said, drop a comment down below. Let me know any questions that you have, something that you're struggling with. I'll see if I can kind of help you out in any way that I can. I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, share this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay classy, y'all. Have a good one.